India versus China. Two nations, one economic race spanning over 6 decades. In 1960, India and China stood at similar economic levels, emerging from poverty with massive populations and limited industrial power. China's economy was worth just $59 billion. India stood at $37 billion, a small gap and a shared uncertainty. For nearly 2 decades, growth remained slow. India followed a state-controlled mixed economy. China remained closed, centrally planned, and isolated. Then came 1978, a historic turning point. China opened its economy, welcomed markets, and embraced industrial reform. Factories expanded, exports surged. China transformed into the world's manufacturing engine, and the gap began to widen. India's major reforms arrived later, in 1991. The economy opened cautiously, focusing on services, IT, and domestic consumption. By the early 2000s, China crossed the $1 trillion mark. India was growing, but at a very different speed. In 2010, China overtook Japan to become the second largest economy on Earth. India remained far behind. The gap now measured in trillions. Fast forward to 2024. China's GDP stands at $18.7 trillion. India's at $3.9 trillion. Since 1960, China's economy grew over 300 times. India's grew about 95 times. But the story isn't finished. India is now the fastest growing major economy, while China slows. Will India close the gap, or will China stay far ahead? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.